Hello everyone, here are top 10 ways to improve your dental health. Brush your teeth 3 times a day. Brushing your teeth after every meal will prevent food from becoming stuck between your teeth and gums. It is important to brush properly, about 2 to 3 minutes per brush, spending 30 seconds in each area of your mouth. Choose your toothbrush wisely and replace it often. Soft bristled and electronic toothbrushes are the best options to keep your smile bright and clean. This allows for the gentle cleaning on your teeth without inflicting hard scrubbing and possible long-term damage such as receding gums and enamel loss. Floss regularly. Flossing at least once a day before bedtime or after each meal helps to keep your gum healthy and prevent cavities from forming. Give your tongue some attention. Your tongue, like your teeth and gums, can play host to a variety of bacteria if left unclean. To kick these bacteria to the curb, consider purchasing a tongue scraper or a toothbrush with a scraper on the back. Stop smoking. Smoking can cause tooth discoloration and bad breath. Smokers are more likely to have infected gums, weakened teeth, and a lower success rate of dental implant procedure. Limit your coffee intake. Coffee can become embedded in the cracks and ridges of your enamel and cause yellowish stains on your teeth that may need to be resolved by teeth whitening. Coffee also contains acid, which can wear out your enamel and thus can lead to tooth decay. Eat a nutritious diet. Dentists recommend eating an apple a day because chewing apples can help you clean your teeth and avoid cavities. Decrease sugar intake. Sugary drinks and foods such as soda, desserts, and a handful of juices and alcoholic beverages can put you at a higher risk for cavities created by acid. So if you eat a diet high in sugar, your mouth's harmful bacteria feed off it. Use an antibacterial mouthwash. Mixing mouthwash into your daily dental health regimen serves as an added defense against bacteria living in your mouth. Visit the dentist regularly. Preventive care can help find minor issues before they become significant. So visit your dentist regularly. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe my channel if you like my videos.